Welcome to our online demonstration of Snail Trail. With Snail Trail, the idea is to get your marker from 1 to 20 and then back to 1 again using the dice that you throw. You have to get the numbers in order and you have to say how you're actually making that number. For younger children, we like to use dotted dice because it gets them used to the dice, the dot patterns, and which is great for subitizing, and we know that is a very important skill, the ability to recognise how many things are in a group without actually having to count them. And with the dotted dice and the younger children, we like to have them just use addition and subtraction facts to make the numbers. Here's a quick demonstration. I'll be moving my own counter today, but if you were playing with somebody else, they'd be moving your counter and you'd be moving theirs when it's their turn. But get the kids to manipulate the dice to show you how they're making the number. Alright, so here are my numbers, and now I have to tell you how I'm going to get to each one of these. I haven't thrown a 1, but if I said 3, take away 2, that's 1. I've got a 2, I've got a 3, I've actually got a 4. How can I make 5? Can I make 5? Yes, with a 3 and a 2. I can make 6 because I've got a 6. How do I make 7? I've got, I could go a 4 and a 3, or I could do, sorry, I just said 5 and 2, but I'm going to go with a 4 and 3 so I can get to 7. Can I get to 8? Yes, a 6 and 2 is 8. Can I get to 9? 6 and 3 is 9. Can I get to 10? Let me see, there's a lovely rainbow fact there, or a number bond to 10, a 6 and a 4. Can I get to 11? If I change the 4 out for one more, 5, I can make 11. I need to make 12 now, so can I make a 12? A 12, a 12, a 12, there's another 6, and 6 is 12. If I change that 2 out for one more, which is a 3, I'm bound to get to 13. And can I get to 14? I'm going to change my 3 for this 4. I now have 14. Can I get to 15? Can I get to 15? Let's see. Yes, I can, because there's 10 and 5 is 15. Can I get to 16? 16, 16. Let's have a look. If I've got a 9 here, I'd need to be able to make 7 there, and you can see that I can't. If I had a 10, I'd need to be able to make a 6, and I can't. So it looks to me like I could easily get to 17, but I'm not seeing a way to get to 16. So I've got 8, I would need another 8. I can't get to 16 with the numbers I've thrown. So that's where my turn stops and the next player takes their turn. On my next turn, I would throw the dice again and try again to get to 16. And you can see here I've thrown quite a lot of big numbers. So I'd be thinking, ooh, lovely, there's a nice rainbow fact again, a number bond to 10 and a 6 on its 16. Can I get to 17? Do you know what 12 and 5 is 17? Can I get to 18? I know that 3 6s are 18. Oh, gee. I can see I can get to 19, but I can't make 18. So my turn stops again and it's the next player's turn. When I get to 20, I have a rest, and you have to throw the dice again before you start coming back down to 1. And the first person back to 1 is the winner. If we were playing with the numbered dice, this is for more advanced work and older grades, but you can use all operations. So let's have an example. Can I get to 1? Yes. Can I get to 2? 3 take away 1 is 2. I can get to 3 because I've got a 3. Can I get to 4? 5 take 1 is 4. I've got a 5. 5 and 1 is 6. And at the moment I'm only using addition and subtraction, but wait till we get to the big numbers. Can I get to 7? Let me see. That's double 3 plus 1 is 7, and a 3 and a 5 is 8. One more would make it 9. Can I get to 10? Well, here's a great example. Yes, 6 plus 5 is 11, take away 1 is 10. Can I get to 11? Well, I know if I just added all those up. Oh, sorry. 6 and 5 is 11, and there's a double fact, 6 and 6. Can I get to 13? Yes, I can. 3, take away 1 is 2, times 5 is 10, plus 3 is 13. Can I get to 14? Doesn't look like it. 3 times 3 is, oh yes, there we go. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 5 is 14, and one more would be 15. Can I get to 16? 3 5s are 15, plus 1 is 16. Can I get to 17? 3 6s are 18. 3 5s are 15. Aha! 3 5s are 15, plus 3 is 18, take 1 is 17. And you can see how I have to manipulate the numbers that I've thrown in order to make the numbers on the board. Again, if I get to 20, I have to have a rest. I can't use the same numbers to come back. I have to throw the dice again. So you can only use, for example, 2 3s in your calculation if you have thrown 2 3s. You have to use only the numbers that you roll to make these numbers. And as I just want to reiterate that you can't use the number more than once unless you have thrown it more than once. So that's it. That's how you play Snail Trail. It's great for practicing in all operations or subitizing. That's Snail Trail.